Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to my review of this. This is a push light, also called a puck light. You push this and it will give you some light. It also comes with this remote control. Alright, so for example, you can turn it off, turn it on with this remote control. Now I got this as an easy solution when I need light in places where there is not a convenient outlet. Right, this is battery operated. All right, so you can put this anywhere you need it. Right, like in a closet, for example. Okay, YouTube, I have installed one of the lights inside one of my kitchen cabinets. So without the light, that's what you'd see. And with the light, wow, it lights things up pretty well. Now remember, this has 5 brightness levels. So if you need less light, right, and that is the lowest it goes. And that is the highest. Yeah, so this lights things up pretty well. This would be very useful in a closet or a cabinet like this. Now you do get 6 lights and 2 remotes with the set that I purchased. So I'll include a link to that. Right here. Nice. Alright, let's go to a dark room and check out all the different colors that these lights have. Okay, you see all the colors? Right, so that's pretty cool. So that's all the color options you have. All right, let's go back to that color. Yeah, so it's got 12 different colors. Now some of these look a little bit different in person than they do through a camcorder, but you'll get the idea. Like that's actually kind of like purple with a naked eye. That's actually yellow. Okay, and so that's the lowest level. So you see they have 5 brightness levels, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's a maximum. Now this remote does have some other cool options like the flash button. If you click on flash, it's going to give you a light show. Alright, so warning, there's going to be a flashing light show here. Let's try that option. Alright, so as you can see, it's going to cycle through, and then some of them will blink, kind of in and out of sequence on purpose. This is, I guess, is this if you want some sort of, I don't know, maybe you're having a rave. Maybe you're having a rave or something. But it gives you a little light show, and it cycles through all the colors, all the color options. Alright, that's pretty cool. I don't necessarily need that, but it's cool that it's built in. It's a built-in feature, and these were very inexpensive. Alright, so let's go back to white. There we go. Now, if you click on where it says smooth, right, there's a smooth button. It'll do the same type of thing, but it won't flash. So let's try that. Right, so now it's just going to very smoothly change the colors. Right, it's not going to flash them, but it will cycle through all the colors very smoothly. Alright, that's kind of relaxing. Okay, so I think you're supposed to take some illicit substances and then just stare at this until you talk to the dog-headed men that come to you from psychedelia. Right? But yeah, I like that they built that into that. So that's the smooth option. Alright, and let's go back to the white. Alright, let's just turn it off because now I have the other light on. How do you like my storage room? It's not done yet, but I've got some air guns. I got all kinds of cool stuff in this room. That's part of why I bought these. I was thinking maybe I'd put one of these like under the shelf that's up there or something of that nature. Alright, other things you should know about these. If you just push it and you don't use the remotes, right, it'll first start with white and then it will go through 3 different colors and then it will turn off, right? And that's if you only do the pushing. Now, these run on 3 AA batteries, right? To change the batteries, you just twist this, right? You twist that. I'm using Duracell rechargeable nickel metal hydride rechargeable batteries, right? So if you buy quality batteries for these, if you buy quality rechargeable batteries, the batteries will actually cost you more than the light set, right? Because this costs about $23. However, you will never not have a use for good rechargeable AA batteries. I mean, in some circumstances, you know, if there's a crisis, things like batteries, things like ammo, knives, tools that are useful, those are going to be more valuable than money in some situations. But anyway, yeah, they run on 3 AA batteries each. Another thing you should know is that they come with these adhesive circles. However, after reading the text reviews, a lot of people had trouble with these, so you're going to want to buy yourself something like this, double-sided tape, because yeah, the adhesive on these is not too strong, so I'd recommend getting some of this. I'll include a link to some double-sided tape as well under the video. Alright YouTube, well I hope you enjoyed seeing these. I will find these very useful. I am very happy with them because the price was low, you get a full set, you got all these cool color options, and it's just very useful to have a light that you can stick somewhere where you might not have a convenient outlet. And as for those batteries, I'm always going to have a use for those, so it's a good excuse to stock up on some rechargeable batteries. All right, I'll include a link to those Duracells as well. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this. Hope you found it useful. This has been We All Juggle Knives. Got some lights today. I'm out.